Learn what type of images buyers want, what stock images buyers are begging for. To maximize your success, you need to understand what buyers are looking for. Images that show authenticity. Perfectly posed images of beautiful models are popular, but buyers tell stock agency sites every day that they also want authenticity. Images of authenticity need to be inspirational, professional, and high quality. But people and activities should look natural, relaxed, and real. Images that show cultural diversity. We live in an increasingly global economy and shared culture. For years, buyers have been asking stock agency sites for images that reflect how culturally diverse our world is in the way that feels honest and accurate. Next, images that show local culture. In stock agency site serves a global audience. Does a business meeting in Hong Kong or in Rio de Janeiro look exactly the same as London or Rome? No, they are quite different. Don't copy popular images, but I want high quality and authentic images based on local culture as of world as seen through your eyes. Thoughtful room for text. Your images need to have a clear center of interest, but have you thought about how text might be overlaid on your image? Think about a magazine cover, advertisement, or two-page spread. Where do photographers leave room for text? What technique do they use, like shallow depth of field, to create a suitable space for text, or other ways? Distinct variations from the same shoot. Buyers often tell stock agency sites like this the shoot was perfect, but we couldn't buy it because the person was serious, not smiling, or the image was horizontal, not vertical. By shooting distinct and unique variations of the same scene, same shoot, you can give a buyer options while maximizing sales opportunities from a single shoot.